Can I edit my bank statement? Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn about if we can edit our bank statement or not. So without any delay, let's start with the process. So before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So here on my screen, you can see a bank statement here. So if you want to change the bank statement, unfortunately, you can't do it. You cannot legally rename transactions on a bank statement as it must accurately reflect all the transactions. If there is a transaction you prefer to keep the private, then this can be a very big issue. So unfortunately, we can't really do it. And even though if you know that we can't do it and you try to edit a bank statement, according to the US law, it is a very federal crime, and depending upon the type of document that was altered and the exact charges, punishment for individual convicted of forgery are jail time and paying fines up to $10,000 or both. So be very careful if you are trying to edit your bank statement. Also, the bank statements of funds are very unique and we can't really find it anywhere, so we can't really have the option of changing our bank statement. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.